Clothes are the need of today's era. We all wear clothes. Do you know why? Because clothes protect us from so many bad environmental conditions, such as heavy sunlight, cold, heat, and also from rain. Trend of wearing clothes also changes from region to region and state to state or country to country. The type of clothes people use to wear mainly depends upon the climate of that place. Let us learn more about how the story of clothing started, the different materials used to make clothes, and how they are made.